Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to connect PayPal to your Shopify store easy and fast. First, go to the Shopify site. Once you're in the Shopify admin panel, click settings in the bottom left corner. From list of options, click on payments here. This is where all your mm, payment methods are managed. Here you can see an option called activate PayPal. Click on it. Here is the activate option, and then enter your email, select your business location, then click next here. After that, make sure that you give this option enabled, not this one. Open a new business account. Once logged in, PayPal will link directly to your Shopify account, and that's it. Your store now accepts PayPal's payment. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out for more Shopify tutorials right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.